Welcome back to another video. Today is probably the first day I've ever made 2 videos in one day. I don't expect this video to get too many views. No one really knows who this or what this stock is. Today I'm going to be explaining what it is and why I love this stock. Honestly, this stock was looking so perfect to me. This was like the most tradable, picture perfect, technical, to the book pattern type of play stock. I love this stock. I love the way it pumps. I love the way it moves. Love everything about it. So let's go into the stock. I haven't heard anyone talk about this. If I search up a video about this, it's got 3 views and it was 6 months ago. How I found out about this stock is I was just looking at tickers that had exploded. Over here, it exploded. It was like up 90% of the day. And I always like charting volatile tickers and seeing if there's any potential because I might call myself a momentum trader sometimes. And this stock is glorious. I love this stock. Like, I want to make this so clear. This stock, if you guys are traders or you guys want even a learning or practice experience, please give this stock a chance. Now, I want to keep you guys in mind. If you guys have been watching the channel for some time, you guys know that gaps are my favorite and least favorite pattern. That's because gaps fill 91.4% of the time. So there's not actually the strongest foundation on this pump because there is a gap here, which was one of the reasons why I was a little bit shady about it. You've also got these long wicks showing that sellers push the price down. But apart from that, this stock is really, really cool. Really nice. So let's get into why I think this stock could be a good play. Actually ran off bad earnings. I believe the earnings are actually, there's some good things in the earnings, some bad things in the earnings. No, gapped up, ran up 90%. The next day it ran up 40%. And I actually brought in here. I brought in about 7, just a 7 sharp right here. There's a little bit of support there. I don't have it drawn up because everyone pretty much for the most part knows that $7 is a significant price level for this. Well, I know that, so I didn't really draw it up. But if you guys want to draw it up or you guys didn't know, here, there is support. So we pumped up and kind of like this uptrend, and I brought in here. And we lost volume. Here you can see we broke below, and we touched here. We rejected off this. So I was like, okay, there's going to be some downwards kind of movement. So I was expecting it to come back to this gold line here for another opportunity to buy. I ended up selling at a break-even price, $7 flat. And this is because at the time, I know it doesn't look like it, right here. At the time, can I make this look more visible for you guys? I don't know really how to use TradingView that much. I'm sorry, guys. At the time here, if you look at the chart, look at the volume. Can I get rid of... I don't know if I want to get rid of the MACD. But yeah, look, wait, can I drag this? Okay, don't worry. But here, here's the volume. Oh no, my computer's gonna die. Hold on, guys, 1 second. I've got my charger right here. Sorry, everyone. This is more for documenting my work and my growth, and just to help people that might want it. Okay, that's the volume underneath the MACD. When we came down, we weren't getting any volume for a bounce. And I was like, oh, okay, there's no momentum, there's no volume, it's probably not going to bounce. It ended up bouncing all the way up on explosive volume, similar volume to the previous run up, and then coming down. And the reason, again, that I sold over here is because the RSI was really high. And over here, one of my friends was in the stock, and I said, now's a good time to sell. The RSI is really high. For me, the minimum time to invest is when the RSI is below this line, any point. For the most part, I don't invest when the RSI is over the line, especially for momentum stocks because you need those big swing trades. So here's why I like the stock. Let's draw up the Fibonacci. Where should I draw it from? Let's draw it from here. Let me zoom out. Right there. As you can see, wait, did I draw that correctly? Hold on, I'm sorry, I'm not used to using TradingView. I think, here. Let's draw this up. Oh my gosh. this, you can see it actually um, respects Fibonacci levels significantly. Look, it bounced off the 618 right here. It rejected off the 0.5. Over here, it came back down to 0.382, which is also on the support level. And if we draw it up from another place, this pump, I can't really see because of that. Hold on, I think I would draw that wrong again. I'm sorry, everyone. I'm sorry for the 3 viewers. Look, this white thing's in the way and I can't see where to draw it. Right here. The 618, which is the historically most accurate and most tested Fibonacci level, lands pretty much exactly on this resistance level. Or support level. Sorry, I always get them mixed up. I know what they are. I'm just not thinking that far ahead. So I was waiting for this to come back because it also touches the recent high of this run up. So I was waiting for it to come back, and now was a good time to buy. I brought some here when it tested, and I ended up selling at about $10, $10 flat, because I wasn't seeing enough volume. There's no volume. And this time, when it pumped up the first day, I had 1 day rest, then pumped again. So I thought I'd have 1 day rest, pump again. It was the second day of rest. It's fine. But I do believe that this stock could pump and all the way up to this level. So, no. This just looks like a normal stock, a normal pumpy stock. Let me explain why this stock is good. Do you guys know what an imbalance zone is? If you guys don't know what an imbalance zone, I'll try find it. I did not prepare this video at all. I'm waiting for my other video to upload it, actually. Imbalance zone stocks. Let's see if I can find a photo. Okay, I'll try explaining what an imbalance zone is from this photo. An imbalance zone is price action where there's been like no consolidation, no resistance, no support. It's just candlesticks in one direction. So right here, that's consolidation. So that's not an imbalance zone. But this is imbalance because there is no price action here. It's just one candle. If we go to Bcab, the reason I love this stock, and the reason I really think it has potential, is because from pretty much here, right here where my mouse is 838, to here, there's no resistance levels at all. It's completely imbalanced. There's a small gap here, which I think is a more safe place to sell than up here, just because it's like, I don't know, a 10% difference, maybe even a little bit less, and you can really secure your gains here. And this stock, because it's been respecting Fibonacci levels and technical analysis, shows that traders are using the stock, trading the stock. The stock is controlled by traders. So you really want to make sure you can get out here. So I would recommend selling out at about 1750, 1749. And this is just completely imbalanced. That means the space between here and here is extremely volatile. There's nothing stopping it from ripping up and ripping down except for the indicators. There's no level where it has to break. All it has to do is run. Well, now there is the recent highs, but as soon as it breaks recent highs like 1281, there's nothing stopping it from running all the way up to $18, just because there's no resistance at all. The stock, no one's really talking about the stock. I do think that if we can see a bounce off this level with some volume, that you'll be seeing at least 1750, at least. I don't see why the stock wouldn't continue to pump. There's no reason. Remember, the stock's controlled by traders. There's no reason for the traders to sell in between this zone, apart from the gap and this resistance level. From the gap down to the run up over here, there's no reason for traders to sell. And the reason traders control the stock is because how closely this follows the book. So if you guys want to potentially make 100%, or maybe you want to just go to the gap fill at about 1740, 90% gain, here's a stock you might want to look at, have an eye on. Maybe set some buy orders here. Maybe it breaks below. The MACD did cross bearish for the first time since the start of the run up. So maybe it will come down and have a little bit more of a rest. I don't know. You could look for another buying opportunity. I'm just here to show you the opportunity for now, and just to document my work. So, yeah, honestly, this stock is a stock that I'm looking at. It's a stock that you guys should consider looking at. I'm all in Bed Bath & Beyond right now. I made a previous video explaining why. Don't get scared, Asia or AMC viewers. It's so I can get more Asia and AMC shares. of technicals, and I am looking to maybe enter a position in Bcab if I can find the right place, the right time. So that's it for this video, and yeah.